And just like that, we're back. Putting the belt on. Looks like someone's built a nest in there. Don't the other one gonna go on first, or that is the other one?
I think this is the other one, if I remember correctly.
Oh, God.
Do you remember what number's what?
No.
Well, that's like your only job.
Oh, Jesus. Order tires for. They're here.
Did you order tires for much better?
No, not yet. Soon. God, how about fell again? We should really move that.
Jesus! Just squatted an extra 12 inches.
Just trying to help you get the belt on. Don't break my power steering pulley.
Jeff.
Pump. Huh? Come on, you can do it. What do we need? More pliers?
I don't know.
Almost.
I'm not sure how to get it on there. Oh, God. It's because it ain't gotten.
You're curious. He went to school for this.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, not this, first of all, if we're going to be honest.
Either way. Okay, so let me stop my race.
You know,
Catching up here, I just hear Jeremy cussing, and I come out. And,
remember earlier when I told you to disconnect the battery?
Yeah.
It's because when the battery was hooked up, these wires started smoking. Well, I thought maybe they were sitting against the head or something, like arcing. So I was like, disconnect the battery. Even though when I looked, they weren't.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, disconnect the battery. Well, now I plugged it back up and the same wires start smoking again.
The alternator wires?
Yes.
Did we hook something up wrong?
I mean,
Hell, it shouldn't matter right now with the keys are in my hand.
I don't know. I mean, the only places on the back of this thing are this one stud that had the two wires on it, and then it's got the place to plug on the other one, so I don't know.
What the f?
You think it has anything to do with that ignition switch that didn't have the extra whatever? Because we tried to bump fire it when we didn't have when we didn't have the alternator on. Listen, you're the electrical guru here. I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
You think it has anything to do with it?
Shouldn't. Again, it shouldn't.
Listen, I ain't done nothing but take the alternator off and put it back on.
Why? What was this? Which one was smoking?
Dude, it was smoking not only here, but at the battery too. You can even
We'll be
see
back when we discuss this in private.
ground.
Yeah, I mean,
Where's that one run to?
I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know where it runs to.
Well, you can follow the that melted.
Right here, I guess, right here.
You reckon that's what it is?
Yeah, that's what happened. But it didn't melt the hot too.
I don't know. I'd have to pull it out and find out.
We hooked the ground and the positive together on the alternator.
Oops.
That's why it was smoking.
Oops.
You missed it.
I can't leave y'all alone.
Well, we told you that. You knew that.
Whew, it cooked it.
I told you that. You were the one out here battling it, getting burnt every time you touched it.
I was just going to try to find the keys that I probably lost. Hell, I laid them somewhere on the car, I think. Did you get them?
No.
Oh, God.
Jeff, if you lost another set of keys, we're going to hook this battery back up. I'm hooking back them 2 wires back up. We're going to step back and watch it burn.
Got him. Can you give an analogy one more time for the camera?
With or without?
Yeah,
the
I can
foot?
censor him out. Go ahead.
Okay, so Jeff knows electrical, not my thing. I can do all the work, but you got to tell me, like, crimp this end, hook it here, hook this one here. He left me. Apparently I hooked two no-nos together, and it started smoking over here when I hooked the battery up, and I was like, oh shit, I better hurry up and disconnect this battery. Went to touch it, burnt the shit out of me. So then I realized it was confused. I could see where it was melting the damn fire loom all the way through there, and it started smoking. And when I tell you smoking,
I walk out of the shop and my baby's on fire.
I was 2 seconds away from aborting and jumping in the pond, and Jeff was just gonna be left with it. But we think we figured it out. Hopefully it's an easy fix, and we'll be back in a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, we found the wire and we're gonna run a new one.
It'll be fixed.
It'll be fixed and running, and you can better be sure the camera will be running next time when you put the battery kernel on it.
That's funny that it was. That must have been why it was smoking earlier. They were touching each other.
Must have been. You must have put them together. Yeah.
Well, they were just sitting there. They were just hanging together, I
Yeah.
guess. And I didn't think nothing about it. And that's why I told you to hurry up, disconnect the battery early. Should have been a sign to start looking then.
Yep.
But you know.
Stay tuned for more mechanicing tips.
Listen, I'm not taking all responsibility for this. Part of this agreement over the many, many years, you know, electrical, that's supposed to be the one place you step up. Don't even try and...
Well, I thought you not to hook ground and positive together.
You didn't even know it was a ground after 10 minutes of looking. You had to go look at 13
Because there was
cars.
smoke everywhere. I couldn't see.
Oh shit, fire. Here we go.
Come on. You about got it. There you go. Oh yeah. Now we got to put a bolt back in, right?
No, there's no bolt in it. That's what
We took a
kept-
bolt out.
I already put it back in.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to tell you the other day. There's nothing holding this. That's why I don't understand how it was working before.
Was that working before?
The only bolt I took out was this one. And I put it back in first thing. I have no idea how it worked before.
Magic.
I don't know.
I mean, a zippy tie.
I mean,
Something.
you would really want it to be zipping away though.
I
You
know,
don't
that's
want
what
it
I'm saying.
this
That's what I'm
way.
saying. No zipping it this way somewhere.
I don't know if it ever hold it. Zip tie ain't gonna be. This has got to be the wrong bracket set up. I mean, I don't know how it didn't.
Or something's missing.
Or something's broke, or
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyways, see if it holds. I want to see if this thing's
Don't
gonna.
forget our fuel leak
I'm
too.
gonna say I'm gonna see if this thing will leak fuel. It don't look like it's pushing any fuel through.
Well, right now it's been cranked before. There's oil pressure, like it just built oil pressure. So it just built oil pressure.
It should just be getting the fuel there.
Yeah. What's the belt doing? Is it riding all right?
I mean, the power steering pump belt's wonky. The other belt's fine. I don't know.
The gas and the filter.
I know, but the other day you could see the pump pushing the gas through. It don't seem like it's doing anything. I don't know. Obviously, it ain't. The pump's good. We know that. We've only started it once. It's in there. It ain't no way it went bad. Didn't we start it with starting fluid the other
Start
day?
with gas.
Where's the?
Starter fluid right there. might get started again. Give her a little starting fluid now and see what she says.
It's like the pump ain't working or something. Hang on.
A little more.
I am.
Good.
It's like it's not. Oh man. Yes. It's what?
Try it one more time. I don't understand why.
It ran just fine the other day.
Hell, it ran forever.
It idled. You about overheated it, blew it up. It ran so long.
I don't understand it. Obviously, that gas looks like shit.
I mean, yeah, but it's not even
But
pushing.
I don't understand why it's not pulling it out of there.
I know, that's what I'm telling you. It's not.
But it ought to suck what's in there out.
Out.
The vacuum from that ought to suck it out.
Well, it ain't doing nothing. I've got everything hooked back up. It's not leaking anywhere down there that I can see. Let me look at something. Where'd my light go? It's under all the crap. There's no fuel anywhere. It's like leaking or nothing, so. And we know the pump, there ain't no way that pump went bad.
Let's just suck trash up again.
Well, then that's a problem. That's a problem back there.
Wow.
Because remember, I did blow it out.
But you would think it wouldn't have sucked.
Wouldn't have sucked it back in.
It wouldn't have done it after we shut it off.
Well,
That's the last time you ever saw this car again for years on the channel. Rolling over there in the Cadillac spot.
I don't understand. I don't know why it wouldn't.
Y'all be pretty.
I can disconnect the.
Y'all be pretty.
We're to that point.
We're done with the video, yeah.
He's done with it, so I guess we'll see.
Well, they'll never see the light of day.
Oh, the hell it won't. That better one.
I didn't get it.
Oh, darn.
Don't you say that bullshit.
No, I'm serious. I was trying to start it as you did that. You can get his hand up in the air.
I heard it beeping way before that. You're trying to take his side. Bullshit.
I turned it on.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying, I
Don't lie to me.
promise.
You got lying written all over.
No, I'm dead serious. I'll let you watch the
I'm
video
taking
again.
that one with me to watch it before y'all get it.
Okay.
You trust me. You weren't out here. It's fine.
Alright, we're going to try to bump it over.
Yeah, I mean, I guess we need to.
Alright, cut.